Let's make green beans and potato curry. This we will cook in Instant Pot. It takes less than 15 minutes to put this curry together. Here I have Instant Pot on saute mode. Adding cumin seeds, some cloves and a bay leaf, about half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 or 4 cloves and a bay leaf, and saute this for about a minute till everything is fragrant. 1 cup sliced onions. I am using red onions today. Half cup tomatoes, saute for a minute more. And now we will add our green beans and potatoes. I have 1 pound green beans cut into 1-inch pieces and a cup of potatoes cut into small cubes, like 1/2-inch cubes. I'll add my ground spices, paprika, turmeric, coriander powder, couple of red chilies for a little bit of heat, not too much. Salt to taste, I'm adding a teaspoon. Give it a good mix. We will add about a tablespoon of water. I don't need too much water because I want this curry to be dry, and we have tomatoes that will release some water. Now I'm going to cook it on high pressure for about 8 minutes. And as soon as the timer is done, I will quickly release pressure because I don't want to overcook. And there it is. Potatoes are tender, green beans are tender. I'm going to serve it with a nice topping of fried onions. Full recipe on my website, YogChakra.com.